Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to see some of the job opportunities. So the first job opportunity is from Hitachi. The CTC is 5 LPA and they are offering the location is Bangalore, Hyderabad and Pune. So first of all, let's see the educational qualification. So the courses which are eligible are BE BTech, but make sure you are from Computer Science branch, Information Science or Information Technology. So if you have done your BE BTech in these branches, you can apply for this particular hiring. The batch is 2022. So only this batch graduates can apply, and criteria 70% throughout their career with no active backlog, and you should also not have more than 2 years of academic gap. So these are the profile descriptions also, and job description is given here. So you should have excellent verbal and written communication skill, high degree of initiative and flexibility. Like this, they've given some job description which you can read here, and the interview process is very simple. First round will be online assessment, then you will have technical interview and critical behavioral interview and leadership interview. So this is the complete process, and the link for this page will be given in the description of this video. Now let's move to the next opportunity, which is from Microsoft. So Microsoft is conducting Design Challenge 2022. Through this program, they are going to hire some interns. So if you participate in this particular program, there are high chances that you will get internship. So as you can see, the submission guidelines are given here. So the first step is registration, and you will have to submit your entry by 18th February. So the initial registration ends on 6th February. So you can apply only before 6th February, and the submission of final entry is on 18th February. But if we talk about the eligibility criteria, so candidate must be graduating in the year 2022 or 2023, which means if you are graduating in these 2 years, you can apply for this particular program. So this is the eligibility criteria, and the link for this page will be given in the description of this video. Now let's move to the next job opportunity, which is from MyGlame. So MyGlame is hiring for software engineer in React, and the CTC is between 6 to 12 LPA. And if you want to apply for this job, you will have to click on this register for test option, and then you will have to book a free slot. So just book a free slot, and if you clear the test with more than 700 marks, you will be eligible to interview for this role. And one more thing, the test is completely free of cost, so do register for the test. The link will be given in the description of this video. Now let's move to the next job opportunity, which is from CureFit. So CureFit is hiring for backend engineer for Bangalore location, and this is a full-time hiring, and the skill set is given here like programming, scalable systems, computer science. So you should have knowledge of these things if you are applying for this particular role. And for this particular role, experienced candidates will be preferred, but if you are a fresher and you have interest in backend engineering, you can definitely apply. And if you don't want to miss more such opportunities, please subscribe to the Coding Bytes, and thanks for watching.